Alright, so in this video we will integrate ChatGPT with Excel, right? Like if you have Copilot license, you can use Copilot as well. So I don't have Copilot license, so I'll go with ChatGPT add-in. Okay, and let's try to set it up. Okay, we'll hit the add button, right? It takes a while to come up, and then we need to provide the required details to register, right? I consider myself a student since learning never ends. Okay, you can select YouTube if it's your first time that you're getting to know on this, right? I recommend everyone to go through this video because it's a prerequisite to go through the user manual before using anything, right? All right, now let's get started. You will get 300 free execution. Okay, then if you like it, you can go for the licensing, right? So this is kind of a syntax that you see as an example how you can use it. Okay, now let's go through the list of utilities or functions that comes with this thing, right? You can go to the settings and change the model as well, GPT model, which one you prefer, but let's not get into such complication for this video. Okay, all right, so these are the available features that you can use. You have AI ask, AI table, and whatnot, right? So for AI ask, let's use this default you know prompt that you get. Let's see if it can generate a suitable tagline. Yes, it did. Okay, now let's look into AI table. So this is very useful if you want to create a kind of a dummy table or something, right, using ChatGPT's or web's data, right? So you can see it created a table with phones, models, and their relevant details, right? Now coming to the most important part, using the AI assistant. In this case, they call it AI newbie. Okay, so here you can analyze the data. Okay, I give the analyze my data as a regular prompt, the default one, but it asked me to select the table. Otherwise, it won't be able to recognize which data to analyze, right? So now here goes my question. Which region did best in the month of May? Okay, let's see what it returns. Right, you can see the conclusion. It concluded right. Its region did good, but I would recommend that you always verify your AI results because it's not 100% foolproof, right? So, and at the same time, use AI responsibly.